Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. International Forex educator Gordon Clark II has taught financial principles in 129 countries, personally visiting Jamaica to do a series of training on business building and digital currencies. Mr. Clark shares his views on avoiding scams and being in a rush to get money from your online trading account. Being scammed is usually a mindset thing. So give us some grounding on how do we set our mind to know how not to be scammed, but then set our mind to be open to receiving what we really deserve.
So you want to look at things the same way you would look at everything else. I think the idea of when people, because they've been traumatized by it, they approach it differently because they don't know anything about it. So they come in with the mindset of, I don't know anything about it and I don't trust it, right? So you got to look at it how any business works. It's regulated. So since it's regulated, you need to find a place that reports to see if it's regulated. So one thing that I tell people to look up, wikifx.com. You can go to that. It's wikifx.com. And it's free. You don't have to sign up for anything or any of that. And just type in whatever broker it is, because the brokers are some of the biggest people that scam people out of their money. All right. Then you also want to see if the educational platform shows up there. And the reason being is because WikiFX is a broker exposing platform. So if an educational platform shows up on that site, that means that more than likely they have the broker scam embedded in it, because they cannot be an educational platform and your broker at the same time. They will have way too much information. It gives them an unfair advantage. And so internationally, legally, it's not possible. So they shouldn't show up there.
For the trading period ending August 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 15,167,884 units traded, representing 56.29% of market sales volume. Caribbean Financial Conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 1,751,493 units traded, representing 6.5% of market sales volume. International Poultry Distributor Jamaica Broilers Group with 1,559,846 units traded, representing 5.79% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 13, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $48.45 million purchased and US $61.41 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.19 per dollar, selling the US at $161.35 and buying the US at $159.21. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.32 per transaction, with selling at $117.38 and buying at $117.03. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.37 in profits, with selling at $218.72 and buying at $211.96. For our credit report tip of the day, a high credit score is more than a number. It's a green light. The next move isn't to admire it, it is to use it. Credit worthiness opens doors to real estate, business acquisitions, and investments that build lasting wealth. If you are not actively turning approvals into ownership, you're leaving money on the table for someone else to claim. Here are some ideas for you. Assess your borrowing power and cash flow. Pull your credit report, confirm available credit limits, and calculate how much monthly cash you can commit to an asset. Then educate yourself intensively. Spend 30 days learning about your chosen asset class. Follow industry expert, watch case studies, and attend local meetups or webinars. Then build your acquisition team. Find a real estate agent, broker, and advisor with a track record in your asset type. You can network your way to shortcut mistakes. And if you're building something from nothing, after years of pushing through financial setbacks, you've learned that resilience isn't just about surviving, it's about building the life you actually want. For professional women over the age of 45, that means turning out the noise, breaking free from old money fears, and taking bold steps towards real financial strength. You're not here to tiptoe into the future, you're here to create it with more cash in your account and assets that work for you every single day. So here are some ideas. Shadow a peer. Learn how someone else manages an asset. Or role-play negotiations. Build confidence for deals and loan talks. And take a short finance course. 3 to 6 weeks can change your knowledge level. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.